What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we are going to cruise through 2023 MasterCraft XT23. Got the navy, mica flake, the gold accents on it. This boat is beautiful. Let's climb inside and check it out. Thank you guys for checking out this XT23 with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. You can find all of our other boats we have in stock from MasterCraft, IBR, Crest, all the like. If you guys have any additional questions, call me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.